Wow, look at all those fish. Ask about taking an educational tour of our rainforest so you can learn fun and interesting facts. And if you watch the sky closely, you may even see a shooting star go by. Come join us, have fun, and learn all about my friends and home. Tracy Free, are you hungry? We have great food. Did you know that our rainforest has its very own sparkling volcano? It's so big, the whole family can share it. Yum, yum. Hello, everybody. I'm Tracy Tree. Rainforests are home to people, too. One of the best-known tribes in Africa is the Pygmies. They are small people, rarely over 4 feet tall. They live on different types of animals, but also collect fruits, honey, eggs, snails, termites, and caterpillars for food. The women collect nuts, roots, and wild mushrooms.